Welcome back to another episode of MK's Kitchen. It's another wing night, and today we are doing honey lemon pepper ranch. You see that ranch season over there and that lemon pepper stepper? We already got our oven preheating to 420 degrees. We have our skillet and we have our baking pan that's already been sprayed with Pam. And so y'all, let's get into today's ingredients. So we have already washed and cleaned our chicken and patted it dry. We're going to take some oil, about a tablespoon. You can use canola oil or vegetable oil. We're going to toss our chicken wings all in that oiliness. Okay, now we're going to take some mustard and just get a good old squirt in there. Next, we're going to season with some black pepper. Then we're going to take some salt. We're going to use some smoked paprika and give it a little color. Then we're going to take some parsley. A little bit of Sazon, however you pronounce it. But we're just going to take one packet of it, and then we're going to take half of the packet of ranch seasoning, and of course my favorite, lemon pepper. And we're going to give that a good old toss, y'all. Make sure your hands are clean. Don't be afraid to get messy. Alright, y'all, and after you have that well combined, we are going to take some baking powder, about a couple of tablespoons, and this is going to help us get that crispiness when we put it in the oven. If you watched my previous video, I used cornstarch, so you could also use cornstarch, whichever one you like, but today we're going to be using baking powder. And we're going to just toss that around a little bit too. Make sure your chicken get a little bit of that powder. And y'all, this is what our chicken is looking like. We're going to get ready to line our baking tray and put her in the oven. Alright, y'all, so our wings are lined and spaced a little bit. So let's go ahead and put them in that heat so we can get them crispy. And y'all, we put this in for about 15 minutes. We're going to take them out and we're going to flip them over. And we're going to repeat that process all over again. Be careful because it will get stuck to the parchment paper. So you might have to fight a little bit, but that's okay. We might take our skin. As you can see, some of them lost some skin, but that's all right. They still gonna be good. So back to the oven. So y'all, let's get on with our honey lemon pepper ranch sauce. We took about half of a stick of butter. Make sure that gets melted. I'm going to take about a teaspoon of lemon zest and give that a good old stir until it gets melted. We'll use half of a lemon juice. Make sure you don't get no seeds in there. Then we're going to take a big old gulp of honey. And then y'all, we're going to take the rest of that ranch seasoning from earlier and use the rest of it in here. And of course, we're going to add that lemon pepper. And y'all, so just keep stirring. You want this on a medium-high heat for a few minutes until everything, like I said, gets well combined. You could already see it's bubbling. So at this point, it's simmering. You can turn down that heat. And so y'all, this is our wings after about 45 minutes. Woo! Look at that crispiness. And so while they're still hot, we're going to put them in our tray and pour our sauce right on in there. Get all that sticky lemon pepper and honey and ranch that's out of that skillet. And Y'all, we're gonna get ready to toss and toss and toss and make sure all our wings get all of that sauce. Y'all, it looks so good. It smells good. I can't wait to eat it, y'all. Just keep on tossing until you feel like all your wings have all that sauce. You can see it's thickening up and it's good. And we're going to add a little bit more lemon pepper just for a little bit of garnish. And y'all, that's pretty much it for today's recipe. I'm going to show y'all some of these wings up close. Ooh. You can see all them seasonings. The sauce looks perfect. Y'all, come on closer. Let's get a little flat or something so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Ooh, get that little pretty flat right there. Missing a little skin, but that's alright, because she's still gonna be good. Get us a little leg action. But y'all, I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. That's another episode of MK's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I'll see you next time. Bye.